What up though? Day in the Life episode, hanging out with Big Bro. He wasn't with me at the time I did this shoot, but I just wanted to shout Big Bro out. Love you, bro. Peace.
Yeah, okay, we'll go over that park right there. I'm gonna get that because I got some of these wipes.
What year is it?
31. That's what they call it, air conditioner.
You gonna go home? Yeah. You alright?
Do a little video. I'll do some pictures when you're ready.
Yeah.
Get a little video.
They had wires all over the place, man. I put these things on and kind of got them together. There's some wires that don't go nowhere. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
He put signal lights because back then they didn't have no signal lights. You just use your hands. So he cut some wires like, well, I'm gonna leave the wires there, even though they don't do nothing. At least I grabbed them all together.
Give you a ride home.
Yeah, I'll give you a ride home.
I'll give you a ride back home. How do I do this with this cord?
Just plug it in.
I did. And then what? Plug it into my phone?
What?
Bumpy bugger. On me, that shit is so nice. That shit's really nice. Bumper kit right there going on. What you think about the 31? It's beastie, right? It's nice. Day in the Life. 31 right there stomping. Bang bang Humphrey gang. All day, every day. Love you.